The Florida Department of Health says 13 people in Florida have contracted vibrio vulnificus this year. 3 people in Northwest Florida contracting the infection, one each case in Escambia, Santa Rosa, and Okaloosa counties. As the number of cases rise, local health and environmental experts are saying not enough is being done to notify the public. WEAR's Brent Carney has been following this story and shares what they say needs to happen.
Sava Verrazzo has been an environmental scientist for almost 40 years. He's worked locally with Escambia County and the State Department of Environmental Protection. But now he says he's frustrated by the lack of warnings and signage that would raise awareness for vibrio.
A dozen years ago, they used to put them out all over the place when there was a high risk of some sort of harmful scenario. I mean, they do it with tidal issues such as, conditions or hazards to swim in. They do it for shark alerts. Why don't they do it for health alerts like bacteria? It was common knowledge back in the day. You'd see those signs over in Navy Point. You'd see them Pensacola Beach and Bio Chico, Bio Tahar. They're just not doing it anymore. I think the health department needs to be more responsible and live up to their name, health department.
Cases of vibrio are rare, but a dozen or so are reported across the state each year. The cases are commonly contracted in warm bays, bayous, and brackish waters. People who have a weakened immune system, open cuts or wounds, or those who eat raw shellfish are at higher risk.
There are certain groups that are at higher risk for infection. Those with immune compromising conditions that lower the immune response, anyone on a medication or some sort of disease that lowers your immune response, you would be at a higher risk. But another group that is important to talk about is those living with liver diseases, so liver cirrhosis and other liver conditions. And we know that vibrio infections and those with liver diseases go hand in hand.
We reached out to the health department in Escambia County. We asked if there are any active cases and how the health department investigates each case of vibrio. No one was available to speak on camera, but we were sent a definition of vibrio and a link of how to get more information.
Yeah, our state officials, I've worked with them before, and they are doing their best to put those bulletins out. And this is the time of year when we should be doing this. And, so I think, we're doing our best to bring awareness to the community. That's why I'm here talking about this today.
It's just not happening like it used to. I don't know if it's politically driven. I don't know if it's a money issue or what, but the public deserves to have more accountability from, government agencies that are delegated with the responsibility to inform the public.
If you would like to learn more about vibrio, we do have a link to the Department of Health's website.